Hello and welcome back to my channel today. I'm excited to bring you a tutorial video on how to permanently delete your Call of Duty account. If you've been a long-time user of the game and franchise, but no longer wish to keep your account, then stay tuned to learn how you can delete it. To start, open up your web browser and head over to callofduty.com. Once you're on the website, look for the three horizontal lines on the upper right-hand side and tap on them. From there, select the option that says Profile and scroll down until you see the Preferences option. Tap on that and continue scrolling until you see an option related to account activation. Due to additional security features, the temporarily disabled account feature has been removed from Call of Duty. However, you can still delete your account by tapping on the Privacy and Data Protection option. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to a new web page with two options available. Choose Submitting your request and read through the provided information. Then, select the country of your residence and tap on Proceed to Privacy and Data Protection portal. On the next page, tap on Delete My Personal Information by exercising your right to eraser. From there, select the account you wish to delete information for, and enter your email address and password. After that, tap on Login and wait for the tick mark to appear on the screen. Then, confirm that you're not a robot and accept Activision's terms of use before tapping on Delete My Personal Information. After using your right to eraser, you'll see a page confirming that your Activision account and all Call of Duty linked information will be permanently deleted. Tick the box to confirm and tap on Delete My Personal Information once more. Wait for the process to complete and you'll be taken to a new page confirming that your request to delete personal information has been submitted. You can also provide your email address to receive updates on the progress. Within a few days, you'll receive an email from Call of Duty confirming the deletion of your account. And that's it! I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If it was, please let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.